Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first xAI-powered creation tool that transforms your ideas into stunning visual realities, builds AI chatbots, and generates limitless content, all in real time for any niche with zero manual hassle. So if you're ready to supercharge your projects 24/7 without sketching or designing visuals from scratch, without coding chatbots by hand, without endless research or content struggles, and without relying on outdated, overpriced apps, then you're in for an incredible surprise today. Presenting Grok Blaster, the world's first AI creation powerhouse that turns concepts into visual realities, converts visuals into insights, and crafts AI chatbots, delivering unique content, summaries, and research instantly, all powered by xAI's cutting-edge Grok technology. All you need to do is tell Grok Blaster your idea or topic and watch it build jaw-dropping visuals, smart chatbots, and engaging content ready to dominate any niche. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, set your vision. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to create game-changing visuals, chatbots, and content in just a few clicks, no experience needed. Best of all, there's no need to log into clunky apps or wait for slow outputs, waste money on pricey design or coding tools, pay huge monthly fees to third-party platforms, worry about tech skills or manual grunt work. Here are the mind-blowing benefits you get with Grok Blaster. Transform textual concepts into stunning visual realities instantly. Bring your ideas to life like never before. Convert visuals into actionable insights. Turn images into intelligence for smarter decisions. Create fully functional AI agent chatbot code. Engage your audience 24/7 with zero coding. Generate visual summaries. Break down complex ideas into eye-catching, digestible visuals. Craft limitless, real-time, unique content tailored to any niche, powered by xAI. Research any topic effortlessly. Get real-time data and insights at lightning speed. Customize creativity levels. Control the style and uniqueness of your outputs. Adjust depth and scope. Dial in the detail of your visuals and content. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Take my word. If you're fed up with overhyped tools and want a secure, profitable future, Grok Blaster's the game changer you've been searching for. You'll agree, it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last only a limited time. We're confident this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's all about jumping on this tech now to profit like never before. Plus, your purchase is backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Not thrilled? Simply ask and get every penny back within 30 days, no hassle. Here's fair warning. Grok Blaster will soon switch to a monthly or yearly subscription after this special launch ends. Buy now and lock in this one-time only low price today. Don't wait, this incredible deal vanishes when the timer hits 0. Click the button below this video to get Grok Blaster for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.